Previously, every time a mailbox server failure occurred in their Exchange Server 2007 environment, the administrators at Fabricam faced the problem of restoring the database. They either had to fail over the entire clustered mailbox server to a single node, or leave the users on the failed database offline for hours while restoring the database. After upgrading to Exchange Server 2010, the administrators have been able to address this problem successfully with the new database recovery features, such as Database Availability Group, DAG, Database Mobility, and Incremental Reseed. All these features in Exchange Server 2010 have been formed by merging the CCR and SCR features of Exchange Server 2007. A DAG is a set of up to 16 mailbox servers that monitor each other for failures. The mailbox servers in a DAG provide automatic database-level recovery from failures that affect individual databases, thereby providing continuous mailbox availability. With DAG, failover of a mailbox database completes in about 30 seconds, as against 1 to 15 minutes in a CCR environment. Consequently, users at Fabricam are now experiencing minimal downtime. When an administrator creates a DAG, it is initially empty. The newly created DAG is represented in the Active Directory as an object that stores information, such as server membership. When the administrator adds the first server to the DAG, a failover cluster is automatically created for the DAG, and the infrastructure that monitors the servers for network or server failures is initiated. To track and manage information about the DAG, such as database mount status and replication status, the failover cluster heartbeat mechanism and cluster database are used. Database mobility is another feature in Exchange Server 2010 that has helped administrators achieve their availability goals. This feature disconnects mailbox databases from mailbox servers and helps maintain up to 16 copies of a database on multiple servers. With database mobility, continuous replication now operates at the database level. This is because in Exchange Server 2010, storage groups have been removed. Moreover, transaction logs can be replicated to one or more mailbox servers and replayed into one or more copies of a mailbox database that is stored on those servers. Another aspect of the database mobility feature that appeals to administrators is that it provides a native experience for adding database copies to a database. When using Exchange Server 2007, administrators at Fabricam noticed that the transaction log stream between a source and target storage group have some divergences. However, the Incremental Reseed feature in Exchange Server 2007, which used the delayed replay capabilities of Lost Log Resilience, LLR, helped them correct these divergences. But a drawback of this feature is that it does not provide a way to correct divergences in the passive copy of a database after divergent logs are replayed. As a result, administrators were forced to completely reseed a mailbox database copy. Exchange Server 2010 solves this issue with the upgraded version of Incremental Reseed that provides automatic correction of divergences in database copies. However, this correction can occur only in situations where there is an automatic failover for all configured copies of a database. A new copy is enabled at the location where database and log files already exist, or when a replication is recommenced after a suspension or a restart of the Microsoft Exchange Replication Service. By using the DAG, database mobility, and the upgraded incremental reseed features of Exchange Server 2010, operating a highly available Exchange environment has become easier and faster for administrators at Fabricam.